Porsche Advanced Cockpit for faster, more efficient connections. Direct touch control in the center console provides direct access to the main vehicle, infotainment, and comfort functions. The dashboard houses a 12-inch high-definition color touchscreen display. In combination with 4-zone automatic climate control, rear passengers have access to a further touchscreen display. To either side of the rev counter, individually assignable TFT displays show virtual dials, maps, and other information. The main Porsche Communication Management (PCM) functions can be conveniently operated via direct touch control in the center console. The first tab is reserved for infotainment functions. The second for the main vehicle operating functions. You can navigate menus within PCM using the rotary push-button control. The center console control panel also allows you to select basic air conditioning functions and certain vehicle functions via direct touch control. Porsche Communication Management (PCM) has a 12-inch high-definition touchscreen display that includes proximity sensors. As well as the home button, the status bar also contains an options manager, the communication status and device manager, as well as the current time, or alternatively, temperature display. In the menu bar on the left edge of the screen, you'll find the individual icons of the main menu. If you move your hand near the touchscreen display, the corresponding submenu will open on the right next to the selected main menu. You progress through the main menu by scrolling up and down the menu bar with your finger and touching an icon. Alternatively, you can change the main menu in the interactive area on the right next to the menu bar. To do this, drag the area up and down using 2 fingers. You can also open and close the information widget in the right-hand touchscreen display area and change the content with a vertical swipe of your finger. Touch the screen to select individual functions within the menu. Alternatively, use the rotary push-button control or the back and option buttons on the center console control panel. You can personalize the home screen to allow you to quickly locate and access your favorite functions. Press the home button to access the start screen. Windows in 3 different sizes allow either access to a menu or direct access to a function such as suspension adjustment. To configure the home screen, select the Configure Home command in the Options Manager status bar. From the list of categories in the right-hand screen, you can now drag the desired content to the windows on the start screen. You can change the content of the windows by swiping the window. By the way, PCM also contains detailed instructions for your new Panamera. First, select Car in the main menu, then Control. Now press Manual. To either side of the analog rev counter, there is a 7-inch high-definition color display. To the left of the rev counter is the tachometer, as well as the speed and assist display, where you can view the adaptive cruise control ACC data, among other things. The far left screen is reserved for either the external temperature, speed limit display, or traffic sign recognition. The right-hand car and info display provides even more options. The inner screen contains the displays for the onboard computer, fuel gauge, and remaining range. On the far right, you can also see the clock. To operate, simply set the functions using the multifunction buttons on the steering wheel. scroll through the menu using the buttons. Use the left button on the multifunction steering wheel to operate the speed and assist display to the left of the rev counter, and the right button for the right-hand car and info display. To select menu items, press the respective button on the steering wheel. To return to the menu, press the relevant back button on the steering wheel. The voice control system offers another efficient method of operation. Activate the voice control system by briefly pressing the button on the top left lever on the steering wheel. For example, say, call Bill Muller's mobile, and the desired phone number will be dialed. You can also navigate using the voice control system. Simply state your navigation destination out loud. Provided the desired destination is clear, the desired destination address will appear in the PCM display. Confirm the destination and route guidance will begin. If you have access to Apple CarPlay, holding down the button activates the external voice recognition Siri.